In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and install the front door panel on your Kia Optima, located on either side of the vehicle. Let's get started. Using a plastic trim tool, we're going to start by removing this little trim right here. You're going to go ahead and start at the top. You're going to wedge it in, and you're going to slide it out. As you do so, you want to make sure that you do not bend it a certain way because it will crack. So just take it out. Using the same trim tool, we're going to go ahead and take this cap off. Go ahead and hold open the door handle, wedge it in between the button and the door handle itself, and pop it off. And that's going to reveal a Phillips screw head. Go ahead and remove that using a screwdriver. Go ahead and take it off. Using that same trim tool, we're going to remove this rubber cover that's located right over here. Go ahead and get it on the side, lift it, and slide it out. And that's going to uncover a Phillips screw head. Take that off using a Phillips screwdriver. Take the screw out. And now we should be able to remove the door panel. Now that we have those removed, we're going to go ahead and use the same trim tool. And we're going to start on the corner. We're going to work our way around. You want to go ahead and do this, being very careful not to break the door panel. Now that we have this corner off, you're going to work your way around it. Once you have it in this position, go ahead and lift up and slide it out. Next up, we're going to take this bracket that holds the handle cable in place. So we're going to go ahead and pry on this little tab, and we're going to slide this up. Once you have that, simply slide it out, and that's going to get it free. We're going to unplug these two connectors. Go ahead and apply some pressure on the connector tab and pull it out. We're going to do the same on this one. Now go ahead and grab the panel and move it out of the way. Now we can go ahead and put the panel on. We're going to start by plugging in the two connectors. We're going to start with this connector. Go ahead and line it up, push it in, and next we're going to do this one. Next up, we're going to go ahead and install the cables, line it up with the handle, and lastly, you're going to clip it. Next up, we're going to go ahead and start at the top. We're going to make sure that it is nice and flat. And now we're going to let it fall down. And we're going to go around the whole panel, pushing it in, making sure that all the clips are in place. Now we can install the two bolts that hold the door panel in place. Go ahead and install this bolt. After you get that bolt snug, you can install the cover. Make sure that you line it up and push it in. Now we can go ahead and install this one. Go ahead and install the rubber boot. Slide it in and push it in. Next up, we're going to go ahead and install this cover. Line it up at the bottom and slide it in. And that'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.